If that camera falls, it won't. It just happened.
I literally, you go.
It's like
Aww. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey, and if you're new here, hello. I just graduated college and I am living in San Francisco. I am 21 years old and I love making food videos, what I eat in a week, and just vlogs about my life and everything of the sort. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But this is a what I eat in a weekend, and I practice intuitive eating, meaning I listen to my body and what it craves, what it wants, and what it needs. I don't try to restrict myself from what I'm craving, so if I want something sweet, I eat something sweet. So that being said, let's get started and eat all the yummy foods. Happy Saturday morning. I started off a workout at 8:30. I just did 30 minutes on my spin bike, playing my own playlist, which is lit AF, and then I moved on to some MadFit videos that used a 25-pound weight and resistant band and arm weights as well. I'm really trying to tone up my upper body just because I'm a little thick on top, so just working that out, and it's really fun. I really love blasting music and getting a morning workout in. After I worked out and showered, I made myself some coffee, you know the drill, just Starbucks Keurig pods, and then coconut and almond milk creamer from Trader Joe's. I drank that, and then I carried on and made these Trader Joe's protein pancakes. I saw this mix in the store. I was intrigued. Not a big pancake girl, but I definitely wanted to try it out. So I just mixed that up with water because it just said add water. The calories and the macros are pretty good on this, and then I also added some blueberries because who does not like blueberry pancakes? You have to be insane not to like blueberry pancakes. I just toasted up 2 of these pancakes on the pan, and then I served them up with some almond butter, more blueberries, and coconut flakes, and I highly recommend. You guys should definitely go try this out. Taste test. Okay, I haven't had pancakes in like months. Okay. Protein pancakes. Ooh, look at that. Pretty fluffy. Really fluffy for like protein pancakes. I'm surprised. Yes. Go get this. I know you can make them, but I only have chocolate protein powder. Sorry, but very good. 9 out of 10 because they would be a lot better if they were waffles, because waffles are so superior because they have like the crevices that like the almond butter or like your honey or agave could fill into, and they're just like, they're a lot more crunchy, so I like waffles better, but these do the job and they're really good, and I typically like savory breakfasts, so Hi guys, so we just finished up at IKEA in Oakland, and now we're gonna go to Berkeley for artichoke pastilles, which is like the best pizza place ever. It has like this creamy artichoke pizza slice that's like the size of your face. What's up everybody?
Dave Portnoy, one bite, you know the rules.
We got our pizza from Artichoke Pastilles in Berkeley. Ooh, baby.
it's like
Jesus Christ.
Sitting here eating my pizza and
The car was lurking.
I know. Jesus. I flew away. That is not fog, it is not Carl, it is smoke and ash that has been filling the skies of California, Oregon, and Washington. And it's very disheartening, so please pray for us. After a fun trip to IKEA and a very large slice of artichoke pizza, me and the girls had some white wine to wind down for the night. And then I had some hummus and carrots around 8 p.m. and I called it a night. Happy Sunday. I had breakfast around 10 a.m. and I had an egg wrap, which has been my favorite as of late. It's just mushrooms, spinach, vegan mozzarella, egg whites, and an egg mixed together, and I just sauteed the mushrooms and spinach first, and then I added the egg whites, which was frozen, so I had to let it thaw before I added the egg. So once everything was nicely mixed together, I added some vegan mozzarella and watch it melt. It looks so freaking good. And then I threw it all on a tortilla, and this tortilla is amazing. It's low carb, only 50 calories, and it has 5 grams of protein. And I just eat that with some sriracha, and it is amazing. I also made my roommate Kat some protein pancakes from yesterday, and I just wanted her to try it because they were so good and I want her to enjoy how good they were. After a trip to Target, I snacked on some hot Cheetos because guilty pleasure. Around 3:30, I decided to make a lunch/dinner. I made a salad using a salad kit from Walmart because Instacart, and then some arugula I had, and a Trader Joe's shrimp burger, and I just mixed the two lettuces together. They're not lettuces, blood-eye. No, my god, you guys are gonna think I'm a ditz. I mixed them together, the two different vegetables, and then I added all the things that were in the salad kit, which is like tortilla chips, and then some shredded cheese, and then the dressing, and then I fried up the shrimp burger. It's late, guys. I fried up the shrimp burger, and then I added it on top of the salad, and it was impeccable, delicious, and I will definitely make it. I ended my evening with an It's It, which I legit haven't had since freshman year of high school. And these are a San Francisco staple made here in SF, so highly recommend. But that is everything I ate this weekend. I recognize it's not the cleanest, but then again, it's all about finding that balance between clean eating, treating yourself, and exercise. And then again, I'm not saying to treat yourself every day because that defeats the purpose and it won't be a treat anymore, but just treat your body with kindness and love and just be so grateful for what your body can do for you. And I definitely am going to try to eat cleaner next week because I am trying to lose a little bit of weight to feel better. But that is everything I ate. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.